Good morning, everybody. So today I'm going to share with you guys some deals that you can do online. Now there's not a lot of great deals that you can do online. A lot of stuff has been sold out. So if you need to go to the store, there are some pretty good deals that you guys can do at the store, especially with the register rewards printing off. Then you can use them to buy other things that you guys need. But one thing I do want to mention that I made a video for this, I think a couple days ago, is they no longer allow free shipping. They do if you get it sent directly to the store, or if you guys want, you can spend $35 or more. Now I don't know if that's I think that's not factored in with paying in points. I'm not sure. But you guys could spend $35 worth of stuff and you can get free shipping. But it's up to you. But you can still get free shipping. You just have to have it sent to the store. I don't know how long you can leave it at the store. I know my store, they don't really care. You know, they just want you to pick it up whenever. So with times like this, they might be pretty much getting backed up with packages just because, you know, now they're not allowing free shipping. So just want to share with you guys on that. They do have the 10 times everyday points when you guys spend $20 or more. So here we got the deals of the week. You guys can see it right here. The deals of the week. So they got Pampers and Easy Ups for $8.99. Now we just got some digital coupons for 3 off of 2 for each one. To do this deal, you have to buy 2 and 2. You can't buy 4 and 4 unless you guys don't want to do the digitals. You can go ahead and do that. So the Pampers are $8.99. There is a $3 off coupon. You buy 4, you get 10,000 points. So basically, you guys want to buy 2 Pampers Easy Ups and 2 regular Pampers because there's both 3 off of 2 coupons. You guys would end up paying $29.96 for 4 packs of diapers. That's crazy. But 4 packs of diapers, you'll get 10,000 points, which is equivalent to $10. Comes out to be just $19.96 or $4.99 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but right now with people, you know, hurting for money, it could be an okay deal. You can also pay with points on that deal. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that in case you need to buy diapers or you know somebody who does need diapers. So the next deal you got is the Charmin Essentials and the Bounty Essentials. They're $4.99. My store's sold out. Online is sold out. So if you guys can find any, go for it. But they're $4.99. We have a $1 off coupon for the toilet paper, and we also have a $1 off coupon for the Essentials paper towels. So this is a deal that you do need to do in the store. So you guys would buy 2 of each, or 1 and 3, whatever you guys need to do. But you guys would end up using 2 of the $1 off digital coupons, 1 for each one, and then you could do 2 of whatever else you need. You would pay $17.96, but then you guys would get a $6 register reward when you buy 4, making them $11.96 or $2.99 a piece, which $2.99 a piece is a pretty decent deal. I usually say I think $3 is a pretty good deal when you guys can get things. So if your store has them, there might be tons of paper towels over toilet paper, but it's hard to say. But in case you guys, you know, need some stuff, definitely go ahead and do that. Okay, the next deal is the Crest toothpaste, toothbrushes, mouthwash. It looks like just toothbrushes and toothpaste. So, right here they are $2.99. Now we have tons of digital coupons. There's a $1 off, there's a 5 off of 3, and there's a 6 off of 4. You guys want to use the 5 off of 3 if it lets you. I would probably unclip the $1 off because most likely that would come off. But definitely use the 5 off of 3 if you guys can. Or there's a different deal where you can do 2 separate transactions and have the $6 one. It's hard to say. You can do both of these, whatever you guys need to do. But anyways, try to hope for the 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So again, $2.99, you want to use a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. It'll come to $3.97. This is a deal you also have to do in the store, but you get a $3 register reward, making it just 97 cents or 32 cents a piece, which is an okay deal. Usually you should get toothpaste for free, but you know what? we're not couponing like we used to. So if you guys need toothpaste, definitely go ahead and do that. And that also counts for toothbrushes too, if you guys need to do that, which I think is a pretty good deal for toothbrushes. Okay. Okay, so they have soda. If you guys need soda while you're shopping in the store, these are buy two get one free. So you guys would pay $12.40. I wouldn't do it. This pop is $3.90 or 3 for $9.99. Comes out to $3.33. If you guys wait probably a week or two, it'll go down to $8.99. So just depends on what you need. Kellogg's cereal, we cannot do this deal online because there's no cereal available online, but it's $1.99. There's a 50-cent off coupon. You guys will get it for $1.49. So if you guys are really hurting for food, that's a pretty decent deal. You could do a bunch of these deals and then use the register rewards to get some food. The All and the Snuggle are $2.88. We did get a $1 off digital coupon, making them just $1.88 if you guys need to do that. Now, here they got Maybelline. They're buy one, get one 50% off, and then you get a $5 register reward when you buy two. You have to do this deal in the store also. I wish they would stop doing the deals in the store, but I don't know if they, I know they print these ads way in advance, so that could be a reason why. But if you guys love baby lips, I actually like baby lips, and it's been a very long time since I got baby lips, and I think I'm thinking of going to the store just because I want to get some baby lips. But these are $3.99. They are currently buy one, get one 50% off. Now, we do have $2 off coupons for Maybelline, but not for the baby lips. They're for other things. So depending on what you guys need or what you guys are going to use, you can definitely check out what you guys need. But again, $3.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would pay $5.98 for this. You'd get a $5 register reward, making it just 98 cents. That's 49 cents a piece. Awesome deal, you guys. I love baby lips, so I definitely want to check that out. To me, they're kind of like chapstick, and I'm addicted to chapstick. So, sharing with you guys on that deal. Like I said, there's more store deals than there is regular deals. I don't know why they're doing that. But here they got, you know, nuts and some chips if you guys need some more food items. This is the last page, and they have the Downy and the Tide for $2.99. There's a 50-cent off coupon. A digital coupon, you guys will get them for $2.49. Okay deal. L'Oreal is buy one, get one 50% off. There's a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, so depending on what deals you could get with that. Deodorant, I really didn't see very much. They do have some candy bars for 88 cents. So there's that. One thing I like is the Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Those are 2 for $7. They come out to be $3.50 a piece, which I think that's an okay price, you know, for Walgreens. I think that's an okay price. Progresso soup is 3 for $4 if you guys need some food. I think those come out to be like $1.33 if you guys need some like stuff like that. Otherwise, coffee. They got some pizza. The Walgreens pizza is actually pretty good for $3.99. This is a great deal they had a couple weeks ago. They are 4 for $10. They come out to be just $2.50 a piece. I get corn dogs for my son. I think for the times right now, I think for $2.50, I think that's a pretty good deal, you know, for the convenient price. Now these are, you guys can get these online. They're nice bags. They have these like every other week or every other third week, but they're $2.79, so it's buy one at $2.79, you get 2 free. They come out to be just 93 cents. I really want the snack bags, and I found out that there's a store that's near my area that actually has a snack bags, and I have been wanting to get more snack bags just because I want to start working on some stuff with those with my family. So if you guys need some snack bags or some Ziploc baggies or whatever, they work just as fine as the Ziploc brand. I haven't seen a Ziploc brand deal in a very long time. I used to have tons of that stuff. Now I barely have anything. I don't know what is going on. But here's just a bunch of food if you guys need some food, juice, soda, some candy, gum, just whatever you guys, if you think you need, go for it. They do have little things. If you guys are a binge eater and you need just a couple snacks right there, 99 cents, you know, go for it. I forget to eat. I think I'm losing weight over this whole thing because I keep forgetting to eat. I've been so into tune to doing some other things that I just forget to eat. Now, cleaning products, have fun. There probably won't be any Windex. There is some coupons. There is some printable coupons if you guys need to use that. I mean, I know everybody's cleaning up a storm right now, so if you guys need some of those items, I still have not tried these fudge brownie M&Ms, but I really want to try those. Yes. Okay, so nothing really popping out here. I don't know what the Easter is right now, but I will let you guys know. 25% off springtime fun, all that jazz. Now here they got Rimmel, buy one get one 50% off. There's a 4 off of 2 Walgreens coupon booklet, plus there is a $2 off digital coupon. So there could be some deals with that if you guys need that. I looked at my coupon, my Olay and Old Spice, that digital coupon has disappeared. So I was going to show you guys that deal, but there really wasn't at all. Now, here is a good deal if you guys are brand loyal. Now here they got the Crest and the Oral-B. Now it also says, okay, it also says Burt's Bees. Now I went online and my Burt's Bees is sold out at my store, it is sold out online. But there is a deal if you guys can do this in the store. I know Walgreens has been limiting you certain items in the store. But the Oral-B, I know this is $8.99 and I think this is $6.99, and I didn't get a price for the Crest at all. But I know the Burt's Bees is $4.99. There's currently that 6 off of 4 digital coupon, plus there's a different $2 off coupon, so it depends on what you guys want. But if you buy 2, you get 4,000 points. So basically, you guys could buy 4 of them at $4.99. You use that 4 or 6 off of 4 digital coupon. It comes out to $13.96, but you guys can pay with points, and you would actually get 8,000 points. For every 2, you get 4,000 points. So it comes out to be $5.96, or just $1.49 a piece. I'm gonna check out what that Crest is, and it's not showing me. It's not gonna take me there. So we're just gonna do Crest 3D White. Let's see what that is. Let's see what the price is for that, because there might be a decent deal. Oh, those look like they're $7.99. Okay, never mind. $7.99. I wouldn't do that deal. So, just wanted to share with you guys on that. But if you guys need Burt's Bees, we do have some $2.50 off of 2 coupons for Johnson's if you need it. Big Soleil, there's a deal if you buy 4. I don't have the coupons, and there's only 1 digital coupon. So I know a lot of you guys aren't getting coupons right now just because of everything that's going on. Here they got some medicines. Tampax was such a better deal last week. I wanted to go to the store and do it, but I just never did. Didn't really need to. But here they just got some, you know, other things here and there. Hold on, Benny. Okay. Then they just got some other medicines. Flonase, $4.99. I know there's some printable coupons. There is also a $5 off digital coupon. You get $5 register reward when you buy 2. It's almost coming to be allergy season, so that's why you're seeing a lot of Flonase and Claritin. Just some here things there. Boost, Renews It. And then here is the pictures. Like I said, they're not going to have any 8x10 photos for a while. So if you guys need to do that. And then now they have Senior Day. On Tuesdays, you get 30% off regular price stuff. If you are a senior, it doesn't age 55 and over. And then you get 20% off all other things. So if you guys need to go ahead and do that if you're 55 and older. But that is pretty much it. There's more in-store deals than there is out deals. So it just depends on what you guys need. But like I said, you can still buy some of these things online and just get them shipped to your store. Or if you spend so much, you can do that. Just depends on what you guys want. I'm still debating what I want to do, but I just wanted to share with you guys some deals. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.